welcome back to this class. Our task today is to solve this nice integral question. To solve this problem, a lot of people get confused because they don't know where to start. So to solve this problem, if you want to solve it correctly, this is what you have to do. First thing, you must recognize the pattern. Because if we say let u equals e to the x, if we differentiate this with respect to x, we will have that du over dx equals, from normal integration, this power is coming down. So e to the x multiplied by e to the x. Now you can see the pattern clearly that this place now, this one here is looking like this. See the pattern now. All right, so let's cross multiply so we can make du the subject of the formula. So from here we can say du equals e to the x, e to the x multiplied by the x. And now another pattern to recognize that this place here is looking like here, this place. So we can substitute in terms of u. All right, so if we substitute in terms of u, what do we have? We'll have that from here, the integral, wherever we see e to the x, e to the x, dx, we put what? Du. So we say this is what? Du. Now, wherever we see this e to the x, we put what? U. So clearly you can see u equals e to the x. We put u there. Then e to the x, e to the x equal, put this there. So from here we can integrate. If we integrate this, we'll have that from normal integration, e to the u plus c. So therefore, the answer to this lovely integral is just e. Our u was what? E to the x plus c. And this is the right answer that satisfies this integration problem. All right, thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this, and there are more videos for you to watch. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.